Hello, in this video, I will show how to configure linter and IntelliSense for a SvelteKit project in VS Code. Let's open the project. If you haven't yet configured code formatting, first watch my video dedicated to this subject because this video is a continuation. There, two extensions were installed, Prettier and Svelte for VS Code. Now it's time to install an extension called ESLint. Copy the extension identifier and then include it in the extensions.json file. This way, VS Code will recommend installing the extension to everyone who uses the project. Next, let's modify the settings.json file. This line will make ESLint validate Svelte files. This line provides IntelliSense for Svelte files inside TS and JS files using the Svelte for VS Code extension. Finally, this line enables comments in JSON files. Now, let's see the linter in action. I will intentionally insert a code with an error on the start page to see the linter report the error. As we know, the error lies in using a semicolon as separator of elements in an array. The red underline indicates that the linter has identified something wrong. To see a detailed description of the problem, access the terminal and then the Problems tab. Once the problem is fixed, the Problems tab becomes empty. And that's it. Now you have linter and IntelliSense working in your SvelteKit project. If you don't want to miss future videos, subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button.